Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we're going to talk about ceiling studio rail light systems. So here we have our standard accordion type of lighting fixture holder. So basically it'll extend out, this one here extends out to 72 inches, and then it'll fully collapse up into your ceiling to be about this size. Didn't measure it. You have your spigot on one end, your trolley on the other end. Very nice, compact, again, super easy. Let's move it out of the way. Here we have the ceiling mount system. So this is your ceiling mount bracket right here. So this is what's going to mount onto your I-beam rail. So it's going to slide on and go through, and it's going to bolt to your ceiling. So this way here, if you take your washer and your wood screw, this is going to have it, you're going to mount it if you're going to mount it through a joist system or your studs in your ceiling, or you can get some anchors and do it that way, but this works just fine. If you have an I-beam system of a ceiling, that's what these other two brackets here that come with it are for. You're just going to turn them this way and turn this one this way, and that's going to mount to your I-beam. You're going to actually use the nut and the bolt, and you'll put that through, and then when you screw those together, then you'll have an I-beam to rail system. Another thing is you can actually use these also as your mounts to give you that extra support, since if you're not going to use them for your I-beam, might as well use them for the light. Just a couple more wood screws, you're done. Holds it right up in there. This here is your trolley. So your trolley's got four bearings on both sides. Now this one comes mounted together like this, and so it spins. I find it cheaper to buy one of these and take it apart than it is to buy the cable trolley. So there's a cable trolley that's only from here to here, and it has the two bearings and then a little cable holder down here in the bottom. Well, that costs almost 16 bucks for one. This one here costs $5, and it comes with two. You just take it apart, mount your cable onto there, and you have a bigger cable trolley. Or you could actually take your hacksaw, cut those in half, and then mount your cables, and then you have four of these for less than the cost of what it would cost for one cable trolley. Another nice thing about these is actually you could take your extended pole. So if you have an extended pole, you can actually put your bolt. So it'd probably be a 1/4-20. Take your 1/4-20, a washer, and a 1/4-20 nut, mount it in there. Then you can actually slide your extended pole and make another light fixture if you need one temporarily. So again, it just goes across your rail, and it just slides nice and smooth across there, across those bearings. Again, here is your I-beams. That's what they basically are, or what they are, because they're I-shaped. So when we look at the end, it forms an I, so an I-beam. You can buy these from any metal fabrication place. They can get them. They won't look exactly like this, but they might. But you can get them from there, or you can buy them from your local photography store. Again, this is a ceiling studio light rail system. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.